Eva Destruction. All right. So why are you laughing? That's a very credible name in the drag community. It's better than Misunderstood. Okay, anyway, so our next performer, who comes all the way from Canton, Georgia, she does win the distance award because most of the rest of them are just really friggin' around the corner. So our next performer does come all the way from Canton, Georgia, and I bring you Miss Eva Destruction.
Singer to have a #1 record in the US in 5 separate decades. Today we're taking a look at the life and career of Barbra Streisand.
Did you hear that? Funny. Yeah, the guy said, honey. You're a funny guy, and though I may be all wrong for the guy, I'm good for a laugh. Funny, how would I so funny, funny.
My name is Barbara. What's yours? I can't hear you.
Dr. Morrison, in view of the defendant's testimony and all that's happened in this court, have you changed your opinion as to her capacity?
Absolutely not.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait one goddamn minute.
Mrs. Draper.
Capacity? Why me? Why not him? Did they examine him for his capacity? Did they examine her? I know a judge who jerks up under his robe. Nobody gave him a test.
You are no longer on the stand.
Well, then put me back on the goddamn stand until I convince you. Don't whip me with your rules. While you're playing with your goddamn rules, the meter is running out of my life. Yeah! Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a pillow to me on my if someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you I like the rain on my parade? Look, I know I'm supposed to be a good little girl for my mother and father, obedient wife to my husband, stick out my tongue for the doctor, lower my head for the judge. I know what you expect me to do. But I'm not just a picture in your heads. Do you understand? I'm not just a daughter or a wife or a hooker or a patient or a defendant. Can't you get that? I'm on my band. You turn out that, so at least I didn't fake it. So I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection, or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Juicy, juicy, and you see I'm gonna have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud of rain on my parade. You think giving blowjobs for $500 is nuts? I know women who marry men they despise so they can drive a Mercedes and spend summers in the Hamptons. So don't judge my blowjobs, they're sane. I knew what I was doing every goddamn minute, and I'm responsible for it. I lift my skirt, I'm responsible. I go down on my knees, I am responsible. Now, if I play this part you all seem to want me to play, I won't be responsible. I won't give you that out. I won't be another picture in your heads, Claudia, enough! I'm gonna live and live now. Get one
Hey, Mr. Ornstein, here I
I didn't sign a piece of paper saying I'm nuts. But it's only a piece